Today's listing is big, beautiful, and it has a pool. This is Queenswood Heights, and we're at 1408 Duford Drive. This forever home has never been on the market before. It's an amazing combination of lot, layout, fantastic features, and fantastic landscaping. I'm going to show it all to you, but first, Kareem's going to show you around the neighborhood.
Queenswood Heights is a slice of Orleans that's surrounded by Place Laurier on the north and des Épinets in the south. On the east, you have 10th Line Road, on the west, Bilberry Creek. It's full of mostly single-family homes up the hill from Saint Joseph. Some of Orleans' best parks and schools are here, like Dunning-Foubert and Reine-des-Bois. You can find ball fields, hockey rinks, playgrounds, splash pads, and walking trails all over Queenswood Heights. You can also find some awesome local eats like Saint Martha's Brasserie, which we've featured in a separate video, Cucina da Vito, and many more. Check out our blog for a big list of the best in the area. This is also a great neighborhood for entertainment with Cine Stars Orleans and the Shankman Arts Center. Finally, Place Laurier is one of the biggest transit hubs of the city, with one of the next stops of the LRT being planned in the next expansion.
I love this home inside and out. It's a 4+2 bedroom, 3.5 bath with a center hall plan on a big lot. Now that means that there are 4 full bedrooms upstairs and 2 more in the basement. There's actually over 3,000 square feet of finished space, not counting the large storage, not counting the large cold room, and not counting the double garage. This is a magnificent home. As you walk through this home, you can see the care that went into the layout here, with a grand front entrance, curving staircase, and quality finishes leading past the dining room into the big kitchen with gas range and stainless steel appliances. The living room and family room are both generous, and French doors lead out to a gorgeous yard that I'm going to save for the end of the video.
An awesome family grew up in this home, and I have a feeling this will be a perfect forever home for a new family very soon. There are no small bedrooms here. All of them are bright and spacious, especially the primary bedroom with its walk-in closet and 5-piece bath, which has a big ramen tub and double sinks. The basement has a generous rec room and 2 more big bedrooms that have doubled as workout room and a private office. Here you can also find extra storage, a deep cold room for your Costco trips.
One of the things that makes this a real gem is the huge lot here in the back. It's almost 170 feet deep. It also has some mature landscaping and some beautiful interlock in the front. But in the back, that means it has tons of room for in-ground pool, huge deck and gazebo with a ton of space left over. It would be well over $100,000 to put a yard like this in today. This yard was made to relax, have friends over, and watch your kids grow up, enjoying family time together with barbecues and gatherings. It's hard to find a lot like this anywhere else within the city limits.
So let's recap. This is a convenient location, a big, beautiful, custom-built 6-bedroom home, and beautiful landscaping. Sign me up. My team and I are so proud to bring you this home.
Did you love this video? If you did, subscribe to us on YouTube and then click the bell so that you never miss a listing, neighborhood tour, or one of our great features in the area. And then contact us to help find your perfect home.